from who again? You are? And I am Elijah Chenza, and welcome to the Plastic Diaries. So for our topic for today's podcast is all about DNA. DNA, the code of life. Our purpose is to understand how this tiny molecule reveals all these many secrets about how it helps us in our life as human beings.
And we have three legendary scientists joining us today. Let's get started.
A word from our sponsor.
Are you feeling like a mix of cells? Do you want to know what makes you you?
This segment is brought to you by Gen Z Tea. It's the only drink that is refreshing as a fresh stand of nucleotides. Remember, life is complex, but your DNA doesn't have to be. Drink Gen Z, it's in your biology. Our first scientist discovered nucleing way back 1869. Drum roll, please.
Please welcome Frederick Misher.
Hi guys. Hi Frederick. 1, 2, 3. Bing!
So Frederick, where you were born and when you were born?
Well, I was born in August 13, 1844 in Basel, Singapore.
Ooh, that's right. So, about DNA, can you please tell us how you discovered DNA?
So, one time in the lab, I was studying about white blood cells. And doing so, I found this odd particular cell in the nucleus of the white blood cell. It didn't look like protein or anything else, so I just gave it a name, nucleus, which was the first form of DNA.
So, it was the very first time we saw the DNA.
Yeah, that's right.
That's very cool.
And now, let us discover the woman who showed us the shape of life. Drum roll, please.
Rosalind Franklin.
Hi.
Good morning. I was so busy in the lab, but I'm happy to be here.
We're so grateful that you freed your schedule just for this
Of
podcast.
course, I love watching you guys.
So Rosalind, where were you born and when you were born?
I was actually born in Notting Hill, London, and I was born on July 25, 1920. Yeah.
So,
I'm an old soul.
Yeah. So, Chloe, your question?
So Rosalind, what did it show in your photo 51?
So that photo was actually taken using X-ray crystallography. It showed me the shape and form of DNA. It showed a double helix, which had its backbone on the outside and on the inside were its bases.
So, it's like a picture worth of thousands because you showed us the structure of life.
Exactly. It helped advance many things in the scientific world.
Bye!
Bye! Bye, guys!
And now, last but not the least, our last scientist taught out the rules and communication or language of DNA. Let us all welcome, drum roll please.
Dr. Erwin Sheridan.
Hi. 1, 2, 3, bing! So, Chloe?
So Erwin, where were you born and when you were born?
So I was born in August 11, 1985, which is located in Chernivtsi, Ukraine.
We've heard about the Chargas rule, so what is it all about?
I found that in the DNA, the adenine always matches the thymine, and the guanine always matches the cytosine as well. So these pairs are perfect for each other.
So they are perfect pairs. So,
Just like chemical language.
Yes, exactly. Without these things, the code of life wouldn't exist right now.
but wait, there's more. For our Q&A portion, let us call again the three of the scientists that we met a while ago. Guys, come here.
Hello! We're back.
Here's Rosalind. Here's Erwin, and this is Frederick.
Hi
My question and answer, please. So our question and answer is, why does biodiversity help us, or why is it important?
Well, it's every living thing on Earth has a different type of DNA.
And these codes help us see the beautiful variety in life.
Understanding the concept of DNA helps us protect the nature and cure lots of diseases.
So that's the question and answer portion. So thank you for our senders. Again, we will ping their Instagram accounts. Ping, ping, ping. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much for having this schedule with us. So a while ago, we're already finished with the Q&A portion.
So wow, what an amazing day it is. I've learned so much.
From the topic of nucline to the Photo 51 and lastly to the chart astro, we learned about how DNA helps us as human beings and how it is important to us.
So call to action to everyone watching. Stay curious about the world around you.
Yeah. So as human beings, we should be thankful that we have this helpful scientists that talk about the DNA, the code of life, and how we unravel the secrets of our body system. So again, this is the Plastic Diaries. I am Elijah Chenza,
I am Chloe Gulirin.
and thank you so much for listening to our podcast.
Thank you so much,
Bye.
guys. Bye.